In this video, I'll show you 6 effective methods to fix an iPhone that's not charging. Whether it's a software glitch or a hardware issue, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Use a different lightning cable and power adapter to rule out damage. Try plugging into a different power outlet or USB port. If the iPhone charges with a different cable, your original one is faulty. Method 2. Clean the charging port. Use a toothpick or soft brush to gently remove any dust or debris inside the port. Do not use anything metal or sharp. You might damage the internal pins. Method 3. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This resets minor software bugs that may prevent charging. Method 4. Try wireless charging if supported. If you have a wireless charging iPhone, place it on a Qi-compatible wireless charger. If it charges wirelessly, your Lightning port might be damaged. Method 5. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, General Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Apple often fixes charging issues with software patches. Method 6. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system settings that may be affecting charging. Still not charging? You may have a hardware problem, like a faulty battery, charging port, or internal board. In that case, contact Apple support or visit a certified repair center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.